What is up, guys? Today we are going to learn how you can see recently viewed pins on Pinterest. This is very quick and simple. All you have to do, guys, is follow these simple steps and you will be able to see your recently viewed pins on Pinterest. Let me view a few pictures, a few pins. As you can see, I'm going to view this one. Okay, guys, now let me show you how you can view recently viewed pins. You want to click your profile picture at the very bottom, all right? You want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right. You want to click three little dots in the top right. And then you want to click settings. And then you can see here, guys, home feed tuner. Click on it. And you want to click on history. Now you will find all the pins that you have recently viewed on pins. Not only that, you can also you can also see topics. Click on topics. You can see all the topics. And you can see here anything you want. Like, I'm going to let you check all these things. Now, if you want to view recently viewed pins, you just want to click on history, and here you will find all your recently viewed pins. I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.